Oh, I'm live already. I am live. Hey guys, welcome to a very quick update. I am here in Singapore. We are at. Where's my badge? Yeah. And we are live from the Internet of Money conference here in Singapore. The conference was starting late. I wanted to do a quick live stream. By the time I set up, the conference has already started. So I am going to go real quick and just going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. I just landed in Singapore out of Australia. It was an overnight, like 6-7 hour flight. No idea what happened with the price. So let's go and look. Working with one monitor. I should probably check that everything is functioning on the audio and stuff. All right, we got 300 viewers on already, which is good. And let's look at the price. I mean, I guess the day is updated. We got a little bit of a wick at the bottom. So the week has ended. This is going to be really, really interesting, right? I mean, it's Sunday night on the East Coast. It's already Monday morning in Singapore. And it's like Monday afternoon in Australia, where I just came from. As usual, let's take a look at Unconfiscatable. Are people signing up now that Bitcoin is dirt cheap? Down to 24 tickets before the price rises. And as far as the poker game's concerned, oh boy, 3 seats left. But some of these people haven't paid yet. So if you sign up and you don't pay, you're gonna lose your spot in about a day or so. So if you registered, and you guys gotta pay up that 0.1. But yeah, once we sell out, I'm gonna reevaluate. I'm gonna text a bunch of celebrities, see if they can pay. If not, I'm gonna open up more seats. It's gonna be great. Okay, that's about it. And workshops. Oh, another one got off. We got I don't know. I gotta restructure the whole workshop thing. Guys, I haven't started webinars yet. I don't know why people are texting me. I mean, don't talk to scammers. Don't ever send Bitcoin to me if you don't know that it's me. Only pay through the tonevase.com website, okay? Like someone was saying I have a webinar on December 14th. I haven't even thought about webinars yet. So I have no idea where you guys are getting your information, but don't get it from scammers, please. I'm not responsible if you send your Bitcoin to someone pretending to be me. Oh, and I really don't have time to answer private messages. I just don't. Like, if you private message me, maybe you'll get a reply within a week. I mean, that's basically my timeline. I can't answer your private messages about where the price of Bitcoin is going. Watch the videos. I got about 20 of those in the last 24 hours. Like, I'm on an airplane. I just spent 8 hours in an airplane overnight, and we're here in Singapore now. So here's the weekly chart. We came up just shy of the 200-day moving average. I would have been looking to buy a bunch of Bitcoin at the 200-day moving average, but didn't quite get to it, unfortunately. But I remain bullish Bitcoin here, like I was most of this week after the big drop. Here is what are we looking at here? This is the daily chart. It's still on Bitfinex because I haven't, but it looks so different on Bitstamp. On Bitstamp, man, I hate flipping back and forth. Like, one day there'll be an actual index I can use. Oh well, there it is, right? Actually, somebody tweeted at me that 7 of the 9 exchanges, or like 6 of the 8 exchanges, they all had a daily 9, and just Bitfinex was like the only one that didn't. So that's beautiful. I mean, this is what the indicator was designed to do. It was designed to catch these instances. So bounce right off the 9, nice strong bounce. The volume looks good. We need follow through. The next 24 hours, this candle just opened. We have to close higher than the top of the 9. So we need to close in the next 24 hours we have to close above 41.20. We need to trade above 41.20. I think we can do it. I remain bullish here on Bitcoin. I have a feeling that when GBTC opens on Monday, my position will barely be down. Here we have, I think I should stay with Bitfinex. I think I have to redo all my drawings. Like, oh well, if I ever get to it. We're gonna stick with Bitfinex now. I mean, I like this 9 here. I mean, that's the legitimate one. On a 12-hour chart, we had a nice doji candle, some follow through, which is exactly what we want to see. So that looks good. This was the big breakdown line. We need to get and close above this line, hopefully, in the next few candles. We had nice 13s here at the lows. Oops, there goes my camera. I got a cheap webcam because my webcam broke and I didn't bring my tripod to the conference. And oh, the oscillators, the CMF doesn't look good. The RSI looks great. The MACD looks okay. OBV looks decent. So we got to close above this blue line here at 4,000. I mean, as long as we can close the next 24 hours above 44,000, 4,100 would be perfect. If we can close about 4,100, that would be absolutely ideal, and we are good to go. What is this? What are these lines? It's not a green line. Not sure what that green line is. I didn't see it there earlier. Oh, that's the Fibonacci line. Okay, I think. Well, either case, I really like this big run up. I really, really do. This is the 10-minute chart. We're gonna look at an hour chart in a second. It's the 10-minute Bitstamp chart. That's a lot of Fibonacci lines. I gotta look into where the hell that's coming from. We had a nice 9 at the low here, had a nice 9 near the low there, had a nice 9 at the high here. The 10-minute chart's been doing really well. We're now being supported by the 50-period moving average on a 10-minute chart. I like it here. I don't know what this Fibonacci set is, but I'm just gonna cancel it because it's annoying me. Okay, and I like it here. Not much else to say. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. It's a bit of a pennant, right? After a big upswing. I'm looking for more upside here. I remain bullish. I know we fell lower than I expected. I was happy that I was in GBTC. That is a beautiful hammer candle following a sequential 13 on the hourly chart. I really like it. Let's see if we can reset here. Red 1, then a green 1 with a green 2 above a green 1. I'm looking for some follow through here, and I remain bullish. Not much else to say. That's the 10-minute chart. That's the 60-minute chart. It's another 10-minute chart. So what the hell was I looking at before? Well, it doesn't matter. I like it here. I like it off this 9. Let's break that setup trend line at 4,000 and we're good to go. The bulls, the long and call ratio, I think the price is grossly oversold here. I want to see a bounce in the price back to some of the breakdown levels and we'll be okay. I don't care about Bcash. The GBTC, I have to wait for the open. I want to see where it opens. I'm going to try and maybe snag some more up. I have no idea. Ethereum should be at 0. It's not, unfortunately. Let's see. What is this chart? Yeah, we're going to wrap this up in about 5 minutes, guys. I want to go in. Oh, that's the premium. And the stock market's going to open in the morning. I'm really curious what the stock market does. Let me see if the futures have started trading on the S&P. Here's the 10-minute futures, not exactly what I cared about. Daily futures. We got a little bit of a bounce here. We need a strong S&P bounce. I want to see S&P above 2750 by the end of the week. I need a strong bounce in the S&P. It's now or never. If the S&P doesn't bounce this week, we could be in for a hurting on the S&P. If the S&P doesn't bounce and get us, then we're probably going to go down to the bottom of the channel, which is about 300 points lower, maybe 200, 250 points lower on the S&P. What are my final charts here saying? That's the daily S&P. Yeah, I want to, this looks really, really bad, but I need to see that. But the last 3 days shouldn't count. It's a holiday weekend. So I'm giving it a little bit of room here. And gold, again, let's see what the S&P does. All right, that's about it, guys. Please check out the Unconfiscatable conference, the workshops, Oakland this weekend coming up, Aruba after that. Got 4 people signed up already. Tampa, oh, damn, that's a lot of people already signed up for Tampa. I'll be in Phoenix right before the conference in Las Vegas, okay? If you guys want to support my work, please register for TradingView paid accounts through my link. It's pretty much the only one that's still paying me money, maybe the VPN. And that's it. And if you're going to do your Amazon shopping, please use these links. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for me. No questions today. I'm going to... Yeah, like I don't know, like I know my affiliates don't really pay me anything anymore, pretty much, so that's unfortunate. I might be going to paid content because I put in too much energy and I do too much work, and it's just not. It eventually is going to become that it's not worth it. So we'll see how that goes. And that's it, guys. I'm going to go into the conference. I'm on stage in about an hour or so. I don't know if there's a live stream or not. I'll ask them, but that's it for me. Talk to you all on the next one. I'm still screen sharing, that's why.